Welcome to Basic Polish. I am Pawel Stawarczyk and together we will learn how to make a Polish person feel welcome in your home, how to impress your future in-laws, or how to get by as a tourist in Poland when no one around you speaks English. I recommend you review Basic Polish Part 0. Let's pronounce the letters. A, E, I, O, U, H, Y. How do we say Poland in Polish? Polska, Polska. How is one in Polish? Jeden, jeden. How do we say in Polish number one? Numer jeden, numer jeden. So let's read all we know. Kamil, Kamil, Stoch, Stoch, Poland, Polska, Polska. Number one, numer jeden, numer jeden. Not bad. No. Letter D in Polish is easy. Like in English, it's pronounced D, as in dud, dude, dandruff. However, the letter W is almost always pronounced as V, as in vet, voodoo, ventriloquist. Let's pronounce both letters. D, V, V. The numeral 2 in Polish is dwa. It looks and sounds maybe weird. Take a look at its Indo-European ancestor, it's duo, and Latin takes it over as duo. In Germanic languages, for example Swedish, it evolves into two, in English two, and in Polish dwa. So as we see, dwa and English two have a common ancestor. So let's pronounce this word in Polish. Dwa. Dwa. Now you try to count in Polish. 1, 2. Jeden, dwa. Jeden, dwa. 1, 2. Jeden, dwa. Jeden, dwa. We know that W is pronounced as V, J as Y, and now Y is always pronounced as I, as in bit, chick, apparatchik. I. Let's pronounce those three letters. V, Y, I. Welcome in Polish will be witamy. We see we have 3 syllables in this word, and the word stress falls, as almost always, on the second to last. The pronunciation will be witamy. Let's start with the last syllable, my. 2 last syllables, tamy. All syllables, witamy. Here we have some exhibition in Switzerland. Apparently they expect visitors from many European countries, so we see the word welcome in many European languages. On top we see Polish welcome, witamy. Here is some event in Poland, and apparently they want international guests as well, so they say Witamy, welcome. Here we have banners of a parish in a probably traditionally Polish neighborhood in Illinois. And we see it's in English, welcome, and in Polish, witamy. Witamy. So how do you say in Polish, welcome? Witamy. Witamy. We can add to it u nas, which alone means at our place. Witamy u nas, welcome to our place. Let's take a look at that u nas. We see the letter U, always in Polish it will be pronounced U. And then the letter A, always pronounced as A. So we have u nas, u nas. Witamy u nas, welcome to our place. Let's say it twice. Witamy u nas. Witamy u nas. Say it in Polish. Welcome to our place. Witamy u nas. Witamy u nas. Witamy u nas, welcome to our place, can mean to our home, but also to our neighborhood, our city, or our country. So at the airport, when we welcome somebody and say Witamy u nas, welcome to our place, it means obviously then to a Polish person, welcome to our country. How do we say in Polish, welcome to our place, when we mean welcome to our country, our city? Witamy u nas. Witamy u nas. These people are ready to welcome a Polish group arriving to Tokyo. We see their t-shirts with Polska on them. How would they say in Polish, welcome to our place, meaning our city, our country, our neighborhood, our home? Witamy u nas. Witamy u nas. Let's count in Polish one more time. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. How would you say not bad? No, no, no. No, no, no. Just like English, Polish language has been greatly influenced by Latin. Super is one of the Latin words we took over, and now it is used colloquially to say, great, I really like it. Super. It will never be considered high style, but you can say that to the mother of your boyfriend, to the Polish president or the Archbishop of Krakow. They will not be maybe pleased by your style, but you will never offend them by that word. Super. Super. What Latin word is used by Polish people in casual speech to say great? Super. Super.